Explore the sky. By clasping the lightning string, I reach the sky. Wondrous view that I spy. Sitting on the fluffy clouds, I roam everywhere. Outspread clouds, my magic chairs. Crafting shapes out of clouds, I drive a dinosaur. Sometimes rabbit, lion, and omnivores. Guarding the animals, I explore the sky's grandeur and search for the heavens too. Seeing a big dark black figure, I shout aloud. He does magnetize all the fluffy clouds. No shades of blue, all black now. I sit on top there, wondering, is everything fair? Suddenly, the thunderstorms drum. I cascade down as a raindrop and reaches the town. On seizing me, a child in the town grins cheerfully, and the entire town receives me gladly. Glimpsing above, on seeing the dark black figure, they bow. Gratitude for having his darshan, they show. Not all angels wear white dress. 20 of them are in disguise, I perceived.